Just want to let you know where I'm up to with the track. I've actually finished it, apart from the start gate. The bloody start gate, it's just giving me grief. And I'm just, I guess I'm a bit slack in just designing one. I'm just so busy with designing all these little people. But anyway, everything's laid in. All the track's in now. And I've got all your logos up here. And that's looking pretty groovy. All down through there. I've just still got to make a 180 return back through here. I'm just sort of working out how to do that at the moment. Because I think the finish line's going to be maybe about there, just so I can stick a camera in. Yeah, maybe even there, I don't know. It's a pretty short run for the home stretch, but it is what it is. But anyway, that's the look and the feel of the track. This is going to stay like this for the next 12 months. And of course we can race 4 cars or 3 cars or 2 cars, so that's pretty groovy. And it can this can also be swapped out for a 2-lane track if I wanted to. But I see no point in actually doing that, because I could just race the 2 cars on the two center lines here, 2 center tracks. But all in all, it's taken a long time to get here. It's pretty basic, but you know, I'm pretty rapid what I've done. All the trees I've put in as much as I can. I'm thinking about just putting a little building here, as I explained before, but I don't know yet. Or maybe just keep it as it is. I haven't put any LED lighting in. Why? Because I'm slack. That's why. Haven't done that yet. Oh, and also the lighting's still up there from the old track. And there's all the printers going hard at work at the moment, printing stuff off. So I've got to move this lighting over to here yet, and chuck that in. The start gate, and then just the finish, and then we're good to go. Now, if I really pull my finger out, I could probably do it in a few days, but you know, I've got life challenges as well, like everyone else has on a daily basis. So, you know, I'm trying to work around all that, this, and the other at the moment. Oh, I've also got to finish this off. I need to buy another can of that spray stuff, and just build a little mountain in here and paint that up. Oh. And also, I just remembered something else. Just this edge here, I just want to put some of that spray can stuff in here, because that looks really dodgy. In through there. I might just tidy that up. That's going to be a pain to do actually, but I'll work that out. But yeah, look, I'm just keeping you in the loop. For all those people that have sent in cars and all that sort of stuff, I will be racing, I will get to it. It's just, I'm a lot slower this time than what I have been for the past 2 years. I got quite burnt out in 2020-21, and I just needed a break from it all, in a way. And yeah, that's kind of my story. Plus the 3D printing, I'm really trying to, you know, design, produce and print as much as I can, so we have enough track parts and little people and all the other bits and pieces to decorate our hobby. But yeah, anyway, that's where we're up to at the moment. I'm wrapped, I'm happy. The track works really well so far. I've just got to tidy up a few more joints down through here, and we shall be racing as soon as I finish all of this and design that bloody start gate. Alright, until then, thanks for watching, and stay safe and good racing.